Hello everybody and welcome to Module 4 of our course together. Let's go ahead and check out what that will be for this week. Module 4 is Contextual Development. This week's essential questions: what's happening in the world, United States, and how does your school compare? The required reading, you're going to read the first part of the book, The Smartest Kids in the World and How They Got That Way, which I think you will really enjoy. I know the first time that I read through it and the other times I've read through it as well, I've really enjoyed as well. Really interesting to see how they do school in different parts of the world and the country. And so what you're going to do is you're going to read the first 147 pages. So The Smartest Kids in the World and How They Got That Way is our reading for this week. Additional resources are right here if you'd like to check out some extra things with the reading this week. And then let's look at how we're going to tie the reading into our course. Now that you've read the first part of The Smartest Kids in the World, what do you think? Your post should be reflective and substantive and advance the discussion. Please make sure to include one reference in APA format. In your reference, please include the quotation, the author's name, the year, and the page number. Your response should be due by Wednesday at midnight, your response to 2 others by Sunday at midnight. And you'll be able to connect the current trends and issues around the world and in our country with what you're believing. 4.2. Think about what you've read so far in The Smartest Kids in the World and How They Got That Way, the first 147 pages. Then select something from the reading that you'd like to see applied to your current school. So then you're going to answer these questions. Your response should be done by Wednesday at midnight and responses to 2 others by Sunday at midnight. Please make sure you have that reference in APA format. Again, this is going to help you apply the issues and trends that are happening in today's world with why you selected it, what would you like to see happen, how could you introduce it, and how does this align to your mission statement, vision, and creed. Now let's check out the final project. I'd like you to get started on the final project for the course, just so you have enough time to complete it. It'll be due on Sunday at midnight of Module 7. And so you have plenty of time to work on it, but I want to get it on your radar. Okay, you're going to check out this assignment under this PDF. Now, what we're going to be doing is a TED Talk. Congratulations, you're running a side business, you'll see here, and it will explain what we're asking you to do. The purpose is to investigate one broad current issue trend in education, and the final project will include a TED Talk with both partners speaking being featured, as well as a 1 to 2 page handout. All right, remember, the school district is paying big bucks for your consulting services, and I've included the steps here. Please read through that as you keep going, and there's some examples to look at. And then I give very specific instructions for what to do. And you can see right there as well. What I would encourage you to do is, the first step is that you should make contact with someone to be your partner. If you would like to do a partnership, you can. If you do not want to do a partnership, that is fine too. You do not have to work with a partner, but you can if you want. So as you look down here, you'll see some different topics here, and you'll be able to figure out, once you have an idea, head to the Google Doc. Okay, and I will put a Google Doc under Module 4 where you can say, this is the topic we want, and then it's off the table. All right, questions, anyone, is right here. If you need any help with anything, don't be afraid to ask. All right, thanks everybody.